Myself Priyanshu, and today we are going to discuss about electrophilic aromatic substitution reaction. Let us discuss some basic terms before we start. First one is electrophile. Electrophile is a reagent that participates in a chemical reaction by accepting an electron pair in order to bond to a nucleophile. The second one is nucleophile. Nucleophile is a reagent that forms a chemical bond to its reaction partner, that is the electrolyte, by donating electrons. Third, molecular orbital. Molecular orbital is a mathematical function that describes the wave-like behavior of an electron in a molecule. Fourth one is the pi orbital. Pi orbital is the molecular orbital of the pi bond. It is the shape of the maximum probability function of the pi electrons. Electrophilic aromatic substitution. Electrophilic aromatic substitution involves the attack on the electrophile by the pi electrons of the aromatic ring and replacing one of the hydrogen molecules on the ring. इलेक्ट्रोफाइल एरोमेटिक सब्स्टिट्यूशन के अंदर चार होते हैं. फर्स्ट वन इज नाइट्रेशन, सल्फोनेशन, थर्ड वन इज हेलोजिनेशन एंड फोर्थ वन इज फ्रीडल-क्राफ्ट एल्काइलेशन. So these are the variations of Friedel-Crafts alkylation reaction. Concept: aromatic compounds like benzene undergo electrophilic aromatic substitution reactions. Electrons in a molecule do not remain stationary but move about the molecule in defined volumes. The shape of these volumes are given by molecular orbitals. The shape of maximum probability of finding electrons in this volume is maximum. The pi bond or double bond is electron rich while an electrophile is electron poor. In the reaction, the electron rich pi bond is attracted towards the electrophile E and vice versa. Due to this attraction, the shape of the orbitals या फिर volumes changes and bend towards each other. Thus, the pi bond breaks and a new bond between C and E is formed. The EA bond also gets broken. Now a positive charge is created on the adjacent carbon. Also the benzene becomes unstable. Thus the electrons from CH bond reforms the pi bond and the CH breaks to form a proton, that is electronless hydrogen, which leaves. Now the stability of the benzene is regained. In benzene the hydrogen is replaced and electrophile E becomes there, hence it is substitution reaction. So this is the mechanism of electrophilic aromatic substitution reaction. Step 1 is electrophilic attack on the pi bond of benzene by electrophile to form a carbocation, and the second step is deprotonation of the carbocation to restore its aromaticity, resulting in a substituted product. So this is the reaction at orbital level. This is the reaction for toluene. It is faster than the same reaction with benzene. And this is the reaction for nitrobenzene, that is slower than the same reaction with benzene. Substituent group on a benzene ring affect electrophilic aromatic substitution reaction in two ways. The first one is reactivity, activate if faster than benzene, or deactivate if slower than the benzene. Orientation, ortho plus para direction or meta direction. CH3 group activates the benzene ring towards ES, direct substitution to the ortho and para positions, and NO2 group deactivates the benzene ring towards ES, direct substitution to the meta position. So these are the common substituent groups and their effects on EAS. The reactivity increases as we move from NO2 group to NH2, NHR, NR2 group. The upper one have ortho para directors and the lower one are meta directors. This is the generic electrophilic aromatic substitution reaction mechanism. So common substituent group and their effect on reactivity of ES. Reactivity increases as we move from NO2 to NH2, NHR, NR2. The upper one are electron donating, the lower one are electron withdrawing. Electron donating groups activate the benzene ring to electrophilic aromatic substitution. First, the electron donating groups increase the electron density in the ring and make it more reactive with the electrophiles. Second, the electron donation stabilizes the intermediate carbocation and lowers the effect and increases its rate. Electron withdrawing groups deactivate the benzene ring to electrophilic aromatic substitution. First, electron withdrawing groups decrease the electron density in the ring and make it less reactive with electrophiles. Electron withdrawal destabilizes the intermediate carbocation, raising the effect and slowing the rate. So this is how we draw the resonance structure of EAS, that is electrophilic aromatic substitution. Thank you.